Welcome to Homework Lib.
So here we're going to have 325 grams of a clean solution, which is going to have a specific gravity equal to 0.850. What we want to know is what volume in milliliters was employed. So in this case, let's remember that the value for the specific gravity for a material is equal to the density of the solution or the sample that we have divided by the density of a reference substance, which often is going to be water. So in this case, since the value is equal to 0.850, what we know is that the density for our solution is going to be 0.850 times density of water. And the density of water is 1 gram per milliliter, so the density of the solution is going to be equal to 0.850 grams per milliliter. So to know the volume, remember that the density is equal to mass over volume, thus the value for volume would be equal to the mass divided by the density. For our case, the volume would be equal to mass, 325 grams, divided by 0.850 grams per milliliter. This gives us 382.35 milliliters. In this case, since all of the quantities that we have only have three significant figures, then the correct answer would be 382 milliliters. So with that, it would be all. Thank you very much and have a good one.